All right, so we're going to use what we know about 45 right triangles and 30, 60 right triangles to figure out the values of y, x, w, x, y, and z. So we have our w, our x, our v. Oh, but we don't have to find v. Z and y and s. Okay. So here we go. Well, we have this hypotenuse of a 45 right triangle. I know it's not drawn to scale, just the way it goes. So if this is 13 root 2, that means this side length must be 13, which means S has to be 13. All right, which means this point here is at 13, comma 13, because my horizontal distance is 13, my vertical distance also is 13. Now, if point C is at 20, comma V, that means Y has to be 20. So this is at 20, comma 0. Well, that means this point V has to be, well, it's a horizontal line because it's a rectangle. So that also has to be 13. Now, that's 13. And so the distance from here to here has to be 7, because 7 plus 13 is 20. I don't necessarily need that, but let's be thorough. All right, so if my base of my 30, 60 right triangle is 13, that means my hypotenuse must be 26. Now, does that necessarily help us a whole lot? The answer is no, but it's reassuring. And now, what is this distance from here to here? Well, it's 13 times the square root of 2, based on what I know about square root of 3, based on what I know about the 30, 60 right triangle, which means that if we're at 20, comma 0 here, we're adding 13 root 3 to my 20, that means z has to be 20 plus my 13 square root of 3. And now we've found all the missing values.